morning mga mahal ko. Happy Monday. Bread. Lettuce salad. Lalagyan ko siya ng ham. Akin na po itong naluto. Binoilingan ko lang. At lalagyan natin ng boiling egg. 1. Green and yellow bell pepper. 1 tomato and cucumber. Ayan po. Slicing my cucumber. Next, I only cut it in small pieces. And the green one, tomato. Lettuce. I cut it in small pieces. Oh, by the way, my washing is so noisy. Mahal ko, magdudurog ako ng black pepper or paminta. Ayan. At lalagyan lamang po natin ng olive oil at saka yung ating salt. Ayun po. Plus itong ating ham at ang ating 1 boiling egg. Boiling egg. Ganyan na lang. Meron tayo dito black pepper and salt na akin ang dinurog. Lalagyan natin siya ng olive oil. Ham. Yummy. And salt and pepper, generous, and our olive oil. So let's transfer this in a big bowl because it's hard to mix it here. Very maliit. Ayan, very small. Let's put it this way like that. And I mix it well. Oh my God. This is yummy breakfast and healthy. Look at that. Wow. Now it's time to try the taste. So yummy. Let's eat na mga mahal ko. My coffee is ready. Black coffee. Let's go to the table. Okay, let's go to the table. I have my mayonnaise for my bread. And our salad and coffee. Let's eat now, mga mahal ko. My baby is still sleepy. So, let's do it here. Let's eat, mga mahal ko. So yummy. Bread lang. With mayonnaise. My baby's wake up. I love you all. Let's eat, mga mahal ko. Have some coffee. Po?